Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 1 plus s because we still have s. So I will put number 1 go to the left. Next, we do first the derivative for the both sides. We have the u equals to the s. So this one we change by u. S we change by u minus 1. The s we change by the u. About u to the power of 5 we multiply by u and number 1. Now we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du, we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1. And we put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here. So we have u to the power of 7 over 7 minus u to the power of 6 over 6, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.